message is being transmitted at the request of the Governor of Ontario, Canada, and the Governor of New York. Reports of animation mobs are rising in New York. The rising was originated from Bangor, Maine. The suspect, Sparky Fire's 64-year-old Dalmatian, has made a Paul Bunyan statue into a cartoon chasing machine. There are also several reports of Arthur characters invading Boston. The city of Buffalo and Niagara Falls, Ontario is issuing a lockdown for this event. The statues of Albany have came to life and are invading streets and may soon take over Buffalo. Please stay in your home or take shelter in a building or in someone's home with permission. Message is being transmitted at the request of the City of Buffalo and Toronto. A mandatory evacuation for all Finger Lakes and Western New York counties. The animated figures are heading west, with one of them destroying the Sir Adam Beck No. 2 generating station and the Regina nuclear power plant. Because of Danvers and nuclear explosions, all residents need to evacuate immediately. During this cartoon invasion,
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the City of Boston. The cartoon mobs has rising to 25% of statues and monuments throughout Boston. Several reports on statues coming to life in Cape Cod and are invading Route 6 two-way traffic zone. The code name for the come life is called Cod Z variant and heading to Boston, with one of them destroying the Cape Cod Canal Railroad Bridge. The suspect has demanded $1 million or he tune life even more. All residents need to take shelter in your basement, closet, or fallout weather shelter box.
At the Lobster Claw Restaurant, great dining by the sea.
The following message is being transmitted by the Federal Emergency Management Agency at the request of the Governor of the State of Massachusetts and the Cape Cod Regional Law Enforcement Council. This is a mandatory evacuation for all residents in the counties of Plymouth and Barnstable, and residents near the canal generating plant in Sandwich, Massachusetts. The cartoon statue phenomenon that happened in Boston is happening in Cape Cod, with one of them destroying the Cape Cod Canal Railroad Bridge and the others destroying the canal generating plants, causing severe damage to the plant, which could be potentially dangerous to nearby residents because of the threat of explosions and or the release of coal fumes into the air. All residents within a 4-mile radius are strongly urged to evacuate immediately, especially those in the cartoon statue phenomenon. If you hear air or police siren in your area, you are in the risk area and need to evacuate for your own safety. Remember to turn off all electricity and oil or gas. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Lock all doors and windows. And gather all the people you love in your home to take shelter or accept. Do not attempt to pick up children or relatives from schools, hospitals, Walmarts, malls, shops, hotels, or nursing homes. These facilities have their own emergency procedures. You will see your children or relatives again after this evacuation. When you evacuate, tie a white or bright colored towel to a visible area of your house, such as a door or mailbox. This will tell emergency managers that you are aware of the emergency. Do not use the towel if you need assistance. Those who have family members outside the warned area are encouraged to stay with them until the evacuation order is lifted. Otherwise, take shelter at a building or your basement to prevent coal fumes from coming in or to hide from cartoon statues from seeing you. Reports say the cartoon statues, when they see you, they will kidnap you. The evacuation routes are to Nantucket, Dukes, or Providence, Rhode Island. Do not drive to Boston. Remain calm. Stay tuned for further updates or information.